Next time you make pasta like this, everyone will be shocked. In a pot, begin by adding chopped sausage, 100 grams of chopped bacon, stir until it starts to turn gold. When it's golden, add a sliced onion and 4 garlic cloves. Let's give it a quick saute. When it's cooked, add a 300-gram tomato sauce packet, 100 milliliters of water, and just mix it all up. Spice it up with some black pepper. Gonna stir it a little more. Let it reduce, then set aside. In a blender, add 3 boiled potatoes, 200 grams of cream, and 100 grams of mozzarella. Some more black pepper. ,200 milliliters of water. A bit of salt. Just cover and blend it really well. After uncovering, add 250 grams of cooked spiral pasta into a big container. Pour all our sauce over the pasta and mix well. On top, pour our potato sauce. I'm gonna top it off with some grated Parmesan. Use any cheese you like. Guys, now it's ready to eat. Look how amazing it looks. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. And this was another simple recipe from kitchen. Big hug, guys. Till next time, and goodbye.
What's up? What's up?
What's up?